Waze wamuhle uSiphonono, ave ngithanda ingane. Anyways, sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, isitori sanamhlanje kumele ngisichaze ngale ndlela yokuthi only me and you sizo-understand ukuthi ngithini. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, vele udlule. Asiqale. Once upon a time there was a green alien. Sizoyibiza ngu-Amahle. You see u-Amahle wayekhulela ehlalela noma wakhe nje wayekhulela beyiphilela kamnandi beyi-happy family. One day our two aliens had a problem. You see umaka Amahle kwakumele aye esibhedlela ayobona udokotela. And so she decided ukuthi uzothatha u-Amahle amhambise ukuthi ayohlala no-anti wakhe just for a few hours nje. And so umaka Amahle packed everything esikhwameni sa-Amahle and they headed off beyovakashela u-auntie. You see u-auntie wene-habit yokuhlala nama-alien amaningi lapha endlini awagade. And so u-Amahle wengekanake ukuthi hayibo uma wakhe akekho cause wezofica amanye ama-alien kuhlale kube njalo kube mnandi kube lokho. And she would forget everything until kuze kubuye uma wakhe ezomlanda. Umaka Amahle no-Amahle they walked and walked until beze befika ka-auntie. Immediately befika ka-auntie umaka Amahle handed over u-Amahle to u-auntie. U-auntie took isikhwama wathi uzosibeka ekamereni. U-Amahle akahamba ayodlala nezinye izingane. Wena u-Amahle ebona ukuthi kugcwele izingane eziningi of all ages lana, ina 10 ina bani all ages, wavele waba excited wathi nope ngiyodlala nezingane. They played kwamnandi kwaba njalo, all was happy, all was great until u-Amahle made friends with two aliens. Lama aliens akangileke avela athi lama aliens nope vela akekho sigadile, Amahle hamba nathi, let's go play lapha yana emahlathini kuzoba mnandi. And u-Amahle wabona ukuthi no man lama alien madala kunami and afuna ukudlala nami, waba excited u-Amahle wathi no asambeni. They walked and walked and walked. U-Amahle eloku eqalaza eloku ebakaza engazi ukuthi uzobukana yekeni because she was so excited. Uyaqala ukuhamba kule hlathi and futhi uyaqala ukudlala nama-alien amdala kunaye, ama-alien amhlophe awajwayeleke futhi ama-alien amhlophe. So she was so excited. Behamba u-Amahle eloku eqalaza until they arrived la bethi khona bayodlala khona. Meqalaza u-Amahle la uyabona ukuthi kuthulakele, kuzwakala nje kukhala izinyoni, uyabona futhi kune empty space, yabona nje iningi indawo ngidlala kuzodlalwa nje kuzoba mnandi. Immediately after they arrived sebebona ukuthi le ndawo abakuyona i-empty, i-secluded, akekho umuntu